Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben and I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here. Today we will learn English together. Today's episode is about my airport experience. I will tell a simple story. I will show new words. I will show short sentences. I will help you practice speaking. The words are simple. The sentences are short. First, I will say a few sentences about the airport. The airport is a big place. Many people go there. Some people go for work. Some people go on vacation. Some people go to visit friends. The airport has many parts. There is the entrance. There is check-in. There is security. There is the waiting area. There is the gate. There is the plane. There is the baggage claim. There is customs. Now I will teach some useful words. Say them with me. Airport. Plane. Ticket. Passport. Bag. Carry-on. Luggage. Gate. Boarding pass. Security. Check-in. Baggage claim. Customs. Flight. Delay. On time. Boarding. Seat. Window. Aisle. Pilot. Crew. Gate agent. Flight attendant. Passport control. Immigration. Passport stamp. Lost and found. Now I will give short useful sentences. Please repeat after me. I have a ticket. I need help. Where is the check-in desk? Where is security? Where is gate 15? My flight is delayed. My flight is on time. I need to find my bag. I lost my bag. I have a carry-on. I have 2 bags. I need a seat near the window. I need an aisle seat. The plane is full. The flight is boarding. Please show me your passport. Please show me your boarding pass. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. I will show a small monologue. You can use this monologue at the check-in counter. You can use it at a gate. You can use it when you meet a new friend. I will do both parts. I will speak as a traveler and as the agent. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Hello, my name is Maria. I am traveling to Miami. I have a reservation with an airline. I have 1 suitcase and 1 bag. Here is my passport. Here is my ticket. Hello, Maria. Welcome. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Yes, here they are. Thank you. Do you have any bags to check today? Yes, I have 1 bag to check. Please place it on the scale. Thank you. Your bag is a little heavy. There may be a small fee. How much is the fee? The fee is $20. I will pay now. Thank you. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is at 12. Boarding will start at 11:15. The flight departs at 11:45. Have a good trip. Thank you for your help. Repeat that idea. I am Maria. I have a passport. I have a ticket. I need to check a bag. My gate is at 12. Boarding starts at 11:15. The flight departs at 11:45. Now pause the video and repeat the last 2 lines. Pause now and repeat. Good. Let us continue. Next we go to security. Below I show a monologue at security. Repeat after me. Good morning. Please place your bags on the belt. Take off your shoes. Take off your belt. Take off your jacket. Put your phone and your laptop in the tray. Please step through the scanner. Do not run. Please wait here. Thank you. You may pick up your things. Do you have any liquids in your bag? Yes, I have a small bottle. It is under 100 milliliters. That is okay. Please show me. Thank you. You may go. Now a short scene at the gate. I will give both parts. You can repeat and pause. Hello. Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass? Yes, here it is. Thank you. Your seat is 14B. The seat is an aisle seat. The plane is boarding now. Please line up by zone. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3. Please have your boarding pass ready. Thank you. I will board now. Now a scene on the plane. I will give a short monologue. The flight attendant will speak first. Welcome on board. Please find your seat. Put your bag in the overhead bin. Fasten your seat belt. Keep the seat in the upright position. Please turn off electronic devices or set them to airplane mode. The pilot will speak soon. Thank you. The pilot will say the flight time. The pilot says we will fly for 3 hours. We will have 1 stop. We will arrive at 2 in the afternoon. Thank you for flying with us. Now a scene at arrival and baggage claim. The plane lands. We go to baggage claim. Where is baggage claim? Please follow the signs to baggage claim. Look at the screen for your flight number. The bags will come on the belt. Wait for your bag. Do not take another person bag. Thank you. I have my bag. Now I will go to customs. Passport please. Welcome to the United States. What is the purpose of your visit? I am here for vacation. How long will you stay? I will stay 2 weeks. Where will you stay? I will stay at my friend's house. Thank you. Enjoy your stay. Now we will practice some small problems. Practice the words and the sentences. The flight is delayed. The flight is canceled. The bag is lost. The bag is damaged. I need help. I need a new ticket. I will speak slowly so you can repeat. The flight is delayed. Repeat. The flight is delayed. Pause and repeat. Good. The flight is canceled. Repeat. The flight is canceled. Pause and repeat. My bag is lost. My bag is lost. Pause and repeat. My bag is damaged. My bag is damaged. I need help. I need help. Now continue. Now I will tell a full story about my airport experience. I will speak slowly. I will use short sentences. I will say the time. I will say the place. I will use simple words. Listen and repeat. You can pause and repeat each sentence. I wake up early. I pack my bags. I check my ticket. I check my passport. I leave my home. I take a taxi to the airport. The taxi driver is kind. He helps with my bag. I pay the taxi. I go inside the airport. The airport is busy. Many people have big bags. I look at the screens. I find my airline. I find my flight number. I walk to the check-in desk. A friendly agent greets me. I show my passport and my ticket. The agent asks about my bags. I hand over my large suitcase. The agent tags my bag. The agent gives me a boarding pass. I thank the agent. I go to security. At security, I put my bag on the belt. I take off my shoes. I put my phone and laptop in a tray. I step through the scanner. A guard asks me to remove my watch. I explain that I forget the watch in my bag. The guard smiles and says it is fine. I put on my shoes. I go to the waiting area. At the waiting area, I find a chair. I sit down and relax. I drink some water. I eat a small sandwich. I check the flight status. On time. I smile. I walk to the gate. The gate agent makes an announcement. The flight is ready to board. I show my boarding pass. I walk down the jet bridge. I find my seat. I put my bag in the overhead bin. I buckle my seat belt. The plane takes off. The view from the window is nice. The pilot says the flight is smooth. I read a book. I watch the sky. We land at the destination. We leave the plane. We walk to baggage claim. I wait at the belt. My bag is not there. I feel a bit worried. I ask the airline agent for help. The agent checks the system. The agent says the bag is on the next flight. I fill out a form. The agent says the bag will arrive tomorrow. The agent gives me a voucher for a small bag. I feel better. I go through customs. The officer asks about my trip. I answer the questions. I collect my bag when it arrives. I meet my friend at the exit. We hug and smile. We go to a taxi. We go to my friend's home. I am happy. The trip is a good memory. Now we will practice some useful lines for this story. Please repeat each line after me. I wake up early. I pack my bags. I check my ticket. I check my passport. I take a taxi to the airport. The taxi driver helps with my bag. I find the check-in desk. I show my passport and my ticket. I check my bag. I go through security. I wait at the gate. I board the plane. I find my seat. I put my bag in the overhead bin. I buckle my seat belt. I read a book. I arrive at my destination. I go to baggage claim. My bag is missing. I ask the agent for help. The agent says the bag will arrive tomorrow. I go through customs. I meet my friend at the exit. Now some tips for the airport. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Say simple sentences. Use short words. Keep your passport ready. Keep your boarding pass ready. Wear shoes that are easy to take off. Pack liquids in a clear bag. Label your bag with your name. Keep a small bag with your important items. Bring a charger for your phone. Bring a small snack. Bring a refillable water bottle for after security. Be kind to the staff. Smile. Say thank you. Now a short practice for asking questions. Repeat each question and answer. Where is the check-in desk? The check-in desk is over there. Where is security? Security is to the left. Where is gate A12? Gate A12 is down that hall. Is the flight on time? Yes, the flight is on time. Is the flight delayed? No, the flight is on time. Can I change my seat? Yes, you can ask the gate agent. Where is baggage claim? Baggage claim is after customs. Where is customs? Customs is after baggage claim. How long is the flight? The flight is 3 hours. Now practice a short emergency line. I need help. My bag is lost. I am sick. I feel sick. Please call a doctor. Please call the airline. I need a wheelchair. I need assistance. The staff will help you. Now some polite phrases. Please. Thank you. Excuse me, I am sorry. May I help you? Have a nice flight. Welcome. Enjoy your trip. Safe travels. Now a few fun lines for small talk. Where are you from? I am from the United States. Where are you going? I am going to Florida. Is this your first time here? Yes, this is my first time. I like your bag. Thank you. Where did you buy your ticket? I bought it online. Now a review. Repeat the words and sentences you liked. Repeat the keywords. Airport. Plane. Ticket. Passport. Bag. Gate. Boarding pass. Security. Baggage claim. Customs. Flight. Delay. On time. Seat. Window. Aisle. Now you will hear a long example introduction for practice. I will speak slowly. I will use short sentences. You can pause and repeat each sentence. You can pause the video now and repeat. Pause now and repeat. Good. Now listen. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am traveling to New York today. I have one suitcase and one carry-on. My flight is at 8:30. I arrive at the airport 2 hours early. I go to the check-in desk. The agent helps me. I check my bag. I get my boarding pass. I go to security. I take off my shoes. I step through the scanner. I put my phone in the tray. I pick up my things. I go to the gate. The gate is busy. I sit and wait. I board the plane. I find my seat. I put my bag above my head. I sit by the window. The plane takes off. The flight is short. I arrive in New York. I go to baggage claim. My bag comes on the belt. I pick up my bag. I go to the exit. I say hello to my friend. We go to a taxi. We go to the hotel. I am ready for my day. Now one more practice. I will give a final helpful tip. Speak with confidence. Speak slowly. Use short sentences. Use simple words. Do not worry about mistakes. Practice makes your English better. You can pause and repeat each line. You can say each line out loud. You can record your voice. You can listen and improve. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.